Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
My back fell. I wonder who is admiring me from their car. Yes, hey, they got weird apple. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this vlog, we are searching for plantain in the city of Doha. Come along with us. Babe, it's everybody look like the heck out of the Look at the mall, the gate mall.
I'm not understanding this thing again.
Hey God, babe, I'll be happy.
Okay, 10 minutes we'll get to where we're going. We'll turn left when we get to that place. That building looks like a governmental ministry.
Which one?
The one that has the country logo on it.
This is the mall. This is that mall. It's not that mall. I think it's the mall.
Where we're heading to?
No, the one.
I'm talking about that building. Can you tell me the
Like as if for.
It was 3 minutes before now.
Are you sure it's not? So this is what happens when you're a tourist trying to find your way. You go back, coming. Babe, look at the entrance here. Look at the entrance here, babe. Go back, you coming. This is too high, there's a step here. It's like this is a designer kind of. Huh? There's a stinky stuff here. Babe, today metro. See, main ticket center. Where is this place? Not be silent. Look at mall entrance. Maybe you're back in. There's another mall. Guys, we are just touring Qatar on foot. Wait, they say main ticket area. Where is this place? Is this metro or bus station? Which one is this? I'm going to ask question now. What is Google saying? What?
Let's go back.
For FIFA World Cup, right? Maybe is this small?
I should keep going. Then my destination is on there. Okay, that's alright. It's alright.
So we're trying to get into the mall. They said mall entrance here. This deep and dark. So that's the entrance. Wow. But why is this place so dark? Maybe it's just mainly for people that have cars. Because I don't understand why. Oh, so guys, we finally made it to the mall. We're actually looking for Lulu, so we can get some plantain. Yeah, just floating is usually like cinemas.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. But I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just get buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest.
Hello. Can we have some donuts, please? Ooh, look at this one that has a smiley face. How much is one? How do you say? 5 reals. These colorful ones and the smiley face ones. Wait, which one do you think? Which one do you think? The colorful ones.
This chocolate type. Maybe the smiley one.
These chocolates look good.
So we can have this. We should take like 5 pieces, right? 6 pieces.
No,
6 pieces, right?
we can't take of the same type.
Yeah, maybe take them different.
So here.
21.
Yes.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
To change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life every day, late at night, not okay.
Yeah.
All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Is all I want, and I pray.
This is the busiest shop ever, or busiest market ever. Banana. This is the main thing that brought us here. Is this plantain I'm seeing or banana? Oh my god, for over 2 years we've not eaten plantain. And I found it in Qatar. But it's in Saudi anyway, but we haven't seen. Wow, guys.
We'll have to buy the whole of this.
Everything. This is the beast. And this like the last though. With small ones. Wow. 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 Wow.
So we can buy any rack.
Yes, I want to buy bread. Wow. This market is big. Please, what is it?
Carrefour.
City Center Carrefour.
Yes, inside city center Carrefour.
Okay. Okay, guys. The name of this market is City Center Carrefour. And we were able to get plantain here. Wow. It's so big. Jeez. This is not red potato. See it now, sweet potato, babe. Babe, sweet potato. We can fry it. You know, we've never seen sweet potato in Saudi.
What?
We've not seen sweet potato in Saudi, but they say it's there.
It's there, but unexpensive.
Wow,
I
guys.
did sweet potato Kenya.